Today I'll guide you through the process of utilizing Loox Reviews on Shopify, which is quite straightforward. Begin by navigating to the Shopify platform. Once there, search for Loox to locate the Loox Product Reviews app. Click on the app to open a new tab, where you'll be prompted to install it. Proceed by clicking on the Install button, which will again open a new tab within Shopify. Here, you'll need to confirm the installation. After this step, the Loox app will be successfully installed on your Shopify platform. However, before you can use it, you'll need to configure the settings. Once installed, the app will appear under the Apps section, but it may take some time to load. Take the time to set it up according to your preferences. You'll notice that the app offers both free and paid plans for now. Select the free option. After completing the setup, you'll be able to add reviews seamlessly to your products. That's essentially all there is to it. Now, you can proceed with adding reviews as you desire. I trust you'll find this tutorial helpful.